A strange man with an all too familiar ploy. Tonight, Columbus police are searching for a man who tried to lure neighborhood kids away from their school bus and into his car. Good evening, I'm Jerry Revish.
And I'm Kristen Hartman. It happened in North Columbus at the intersection of Highfield Drive and Broad Meadows Boulevard. 10 TV's Jessica Goddard has reaction from the boy's mother and how the neighbors are responding tonight.
Elizabeth Gust says her 10 and 5-year-old sons ride the same school bus home every day. She credits the fact that they were together for both of them returning home safely after being dropped off here at their bus stop Thursday afternoon.
Close enough to reach and grab them.
Gust says her sons were approached by a man driving a white 1990s model Camaro or Trans Am convertible with a ploy she'd warned her boys about before.
Are you guys new in the neighborhood? Do you guys want some cookies or candy? And he actually showed them 2 cookies and 2 pieces of candy.
The boy's mother says before the man could get any closer, her older son grabbed the younger one and they both took off running down Highfield Drive straight home. The boys told Columbus police the man had dark hair and glasses, wearing a baseball cap pulled down low, covering much of his face. Gust says she's been telling her neighbors about what happened, asking them to be on the lookout for a man or car matching the description.
Fear. I have a little girl. Yeah, scared to death. She's very naive, so I wouldn't doubt she probably took some cookies or candy from him.
While police patrol the neighborhood, Gust is warning other parents to be on alert.
To watch their kids, and especially with, little girls and even boys. I mean, this guy, obviously, he doesn't care who it is, as long as it's a kid.
When relying on the kindness of strangers could put the next child at risk. In North Columbus, Jessica Goddard, 10 TV News.
A witness tells 10 TV when she saw what happened, she yelled to the man that she was calling police. She says that's when the suspect got into his car and drove away before she could get his license plate number.